Notice the difference. It's undeniable. Your videos can feature the most stunning visuals, but without the right sound, they fall flat. Today, that gets fixed. Welcome to episode 4 of the CapCut Masterclass, where you'll learn to master music and sound effects to make your videos unforgettable. Section 1. Importing your own music. First, let's get music into the project. There are two main options. We'll start with importing your own track. This is the perfect solution when you have a specific song from a royalty-free site, or even a track you've created yourself. In your timeline, tap Audio, then Sounds. Now, instead of choosing from CapCut's list, locate the folder icon, tap it, and then select from Device. And with that, your custom track is in the project. But first, a vital pro tip. You cannot use just any popular song for social media content, especially if it's monetized. You must use royalty-free music. The YouTube audio library is a fantastic free resource to get started. Section 2. Using CapCut's built-in library. If you don't have your own music, CapCut's built-in library is extensive and highly effective. Back in the Sounds menu, you will find numerous playlists. Whether you need a chill lo-fi track for a study vlog or a high-energy pop track for a product reveal, it's likely in here. Tap any song to preview it. When you find one you like, hit the plus button to add it to your timeline. And here's a quick trick for creators concerned about licensing. Within the Sounds menu, you can filter for tracks cleared for commercial use. This provides peace of mind that your video won't be flagged. While you should always double-check the latest terms, it's an incredibly useful feature. Section 3. Syncing clips to the beat. This next feature is a game changer. Syncing your edits to the music's beat is the fastest way to make videos look professional and dynamic. Select your audio clip in the timeline, and in the menu below, find and tap beats. You have two options: auto-generate and add beat. Auto-generate is the ideal choice for speed. Pick a rhythm-style beat 2 is excellent for its energy, and CapCut automatically finds the beats for you. These yellow dots are your new editing cues. Now, simply trim your clips so that each cut happens right on a yellow dot. This instantly creates that professional music video feel. But for more control, there's the manual option. For ultimate precision, use the manual add beat option. Play the track and tap the button every time you hear a sound you want to edit to. This is the technique for achieving perfect, custom timed edits. Section 4. Adding and adjusting sound effects SFX. The video now has a pulse. Let's give it personality. Sound effects are the secret ingredient. In the audio menu, tap Sound Effects. This library is a goldmine. For example, to emphasize a transition between two clips, a simple whoosh sound effect placed at the cut makes the transition feel 10 times more impactful. This can be applied elsewhere too. Text reveals, button clicks, and funny moments can all be enhanced. The most critical part of using SFX is adjustment. A sound effect should support the video, not overpower it. Let's do a quick recap of what you've learned. As a bonus, here's a tip for cleaning up your original audio. Select a video clip, swipe over and tap Enhance Voice or Reduce Noise. This one-tap feature can dramatically improve your sound before you even add music. And there you have it. The complete guide to creating incredible sound design right inside CapCut. If this video was helpful, hitting the like button is a great way to show your support and helps others find this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe and enable notifications, because in episode 5, we are diving into the world of professional color grading. You won't want to miss it. Keep creating, and we'll see you in the next one.